Nigeria remains one of Africa's economic powerhouses, thanks to its abundant resources and diverse population. However, security challenges, including insurgency, farmer-herder conflicts, organized crime, looting and kidnapping for ransom continue to threaten national stability, economic growth and various sectors. The 12th Distinguished Public Lecture of the Federal University Lokoja, themed Combating Insecurity Through Good Governance and Partnership Between Government and Citizens, addressed this pressing issue.
From insurgency and banditry to cybercrime and communal conflict, insecurity remains one of the greatest challenges of our time. However, the solution does not rest solely on the shoulders of government institutions.
Delivering the lecture, Professor Etannibi Alemika, a renowned criminologist and expert in the sociology of law, attributed Nigeria's security crisis to poor governance.
Quality of governance in the 60s, quality of governance in the 70s have declined so deteriorated so badly that we actually have governance for corruption today. And so if we're going to be looking at how to solve insecurity problem, we need to look at the nature of our governance.
He emphasized the need for improved living standards, access to quality education and greater citizen participation in electoral processes as key steps towards a safer society.
So if you want to solve that problem, you will need to expand economic opportunity to citizens. You will need to ensure that you allow citizens opportunity to participate in decision-making by making the electoral process free, fair, and credible. You will also provide social protection in the form of good education for the poor, good healthcare for the poor, and also you ensure that communications, especially transportation between rural area where agriculture thrives, can be improved so that they also can improve their level and standard of living. It is not more police, not army that will reduce insecurity. Most insecurity are caused by social and economic problems, and solving those problems will indeed resolve insecurity in the state.
Let us tackle the economic insecurity first. When we tackle the economic insecurity, we'll be able to tackle the issue of banditry, kidnapping, or whatever that we are having in the country today.
Kogi State Security Advisor Jerry Omodara highlighted the state's improved security under the current administration, crediting good governance for the progress. He urged residents to take an active role in reporting criminal activities.
Citizens must report things happening around them. The landlord, the hotelier, everybody doing one thing or the other must ensure that we don't have Yahoo people in the hotel. You don't take criminal into your accommodation because you need money. When we do all this as citizens and work along with security agencies, we will have a better society.
Stakeholders stressed that enhancing citizen engagement and intelligence gathering is crucial in strengthening Nigeria's fight against insecurity.
On behalf of the Vice Chancellor Professor Etannibi Alemika, PhD, to present this on behalf of this student.
In Lokoja, Jonathan Omajali, NTA News.